Keep your finger on the phone so it doesn't turn off on you.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? You're probably live right now.
Hello, everybody. Woohoo, I'm really taking over. Hey, Chris's station, aren't I?
Wait a minute. You got to do that right. It's...
Hey.
No, four, ready? Try that again. Hey. Forget it.
Hey.
You're fired.
Anyway, I'm here on Chris's station. I got some breaking news, strictly from, not really breaking, but news from, we heard from Ash, and I just wanted to relay this message. Message from Ash, straight from Ash.
Am I too loud?
Yes, you're very loud.
Oh, no.
Okay, very important. This is what he said. He wants to relay this message, okay? So I'm going to say it slow, and I'm going to read it so I get it exactly. Okay, folks? Brothers and sisters, so here we go. Number 1, Victory with Ash is launching in October, which is this month, folks. Ready to go. Number 2, priority placement comes with responsibility and based on evaluation of past and current performance. Got that? Number 3, the platform is ready. Yay, the platform is ready. Here's number 4. The executive training is lined up in a world-class fashion. Will be award-winning, better than the Oscar for you because it's impactful. Ooh, impactful. Number 5, this next phase is a done deal. You know how he says that, but when he says that, he really means it. A done deal. Just embrace and have fun. Here you go. He wants us to have fun. And last but not least, it's 100% free. That's the word for me, free. So I'll let Chris read it one more time to you, okay?
Oh, no, you did fine. Don't read number 7, though. They can't know about number 7. Don't you dare read number 7. You can't read that one. You weren't even supposed to see number 7.
My eyes are closed.
She stole my phone, my laptop. Wait. What does number 7 say again?
I'm going to steal his boat next.
Oh, no, we can't say that.
No, we won't say number 7.
We can't say that.
Anyway, number 1, again, repeat them all, so listen very carefully. These are straight from Ash. Slow down. You know how I do things fast. Victory with Ash is launching in October, which is what this month is. Ready to go. Number 2, priority placement comes with responsibility and based on evaluation of past and current performance. Number 3, the platform is ready. He's telling us again, it's ready. Number 4, the executive training is lined up in a world-class fashion, will be award-winning, better than the Oscar for you because it's impactful. Ooh, I'm excited for that. Number 5, this next phase is done deal. It's a done deal. Just embrace and have fun. And here's the very last thing. You want to listen to this closely. It's 100% free. Woo! Love that.
I thought you were going to read number 7.
And number 7 is my lucky number too. I should read it just because of that reason.
Don't read it. Can't read it. Nope. No reading that 7.
But I won't. So that's what's up, folks. Straight from Mr. Ash.
Can you feel the ground is rumbling?
I feel it rumbling.
It's shaking.
Woo! Let's go. And we're already in, what's today's date? The 20th?
20th.
Today's already the 20th, so that's this month. I say any time now, so be aware and look at your what? Where they got to look, Chris?
Oh, yes.
Yes.
You had me. I had to think about that for a minute.
Anyway, I just had to come on there and bring you guys breaking news, not breaking news, but exciting news that Ash wanted to share with us. And I was privileged to be able to do that. So My hat goes off for sure. on
No,
that
I
one.
like the hat on you.
I like the hat on me too.
And
so
this
let's do
is
that.
Sherry Dursaway and Chris Johnson, and I approve of that message. Thank you, Sherry.
I thumbprint that one.
You thumbprint that one?
Yeah.
Let me see your thumbprint. You ready? Wait a minute. You know how to do the
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I'll
I
kick
declare
your
my
butt.
no. I declare my thumb war. Oh my God, Californians are worse than UKans. I tell you. Sorry, Red.
Anyway, we're having a blast here. It's good to see my brother. Chris.
Hugs for all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We love you all. That's it on my end. You got anything else to say, Chris?
No, I love them. Stay excited. That message was just sent to us by Ash a couple minutes ago. He actually had some more to say, but he's got to do a little babysitting with his kids right now. So maybe later.
Maybe Chris will say more later.
Oh, no, I'm not saying number 7. I'm going to tell you that right now.
Okay. Well, maybe there's number 10.
Only Sherry knows number 7. Nobody else but me and Sherry. So don't ask for us for number 7. Don't do it. And don't ever ask Sherry Dursaway. Don't ever tell her there's a dog park near. And she can explain that one to you later.
That's a private little secret. Anyway, we're having a good time. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining us last second, last minute. You never know. Love you guys.
Bye.
Hasta la vista.
Are you going to hit that end button this
I'm
time?
going to hit the end button this time.
Boom. You got to hit it. You
Bye.
missed it. You missed it. Look. Press.
I did it. Now just go in.